Hi pal. We meet again. Let's now move on to the letter H, which is the 8th letter of the alphabet. H is an important letter because it is used to make many words that we use in our everyday life. The letter H has a shape that looks like two vertical lines connected by a horizontal line. It is important to remember how to draw the letter H correctly, so that you can recognize it when you see it and write it properly. The letter H makes a special sound, the H sound. This sound is made by exhaling air while your throat is slightly constricted. Some common words that start with the letter H include hat, house, and horse. Words that have the letter H in them are all around us. We might use a hammer to build something, or wear a hoodie on a chilly day. We might also read a book about history or play a game of hopscotch with our friends. Remembering the letter H is an important step in learning how to read and write. As you practice, you will become more familiar with this special letter and all the helpful words it helps create. So let's give a big H for the letter H, and get ready to continue our journey through the wonderful world of language. Please support our channel by clicking like and subscribe buttons. Thank you.